This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, spare tire kit, air conditioning, leveling jacks, awning, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV antenna, water heater, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JG is 3,879 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.